If you're like many homeowners and are interested in skylights, well, this video is for you because today we're going to be covering the cost of skylights in under 60 seconds in our Roofing Quick Tips video series. So let's get started. You've probably figured that the type of skylight that you choose will affect the cost, but one of the other factors that has a huge impact on the cost of the skylight installation is the complexity of the installation. And what I mean with complexity is how steep is your roof? How many stories is it? If it's a one-story or is it a two-story? A two-story is going to be a little more complex. Also, how old is your roof that we're putting a skylight on? If it's brand new, it's going to be a lot easier to work with than, say, an older roof. On residential projects, all in all, you can expect to pay somewhere between $2,000 and $5,000 to get a new skylight, depending on the complexity. If you like the idea of a skylight but want to save some money, then click on the link below to our video on the cost of installing a new sun tunnel. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Remember, like and subscribe for more videos.